Okay, so I have a Sonic the Hedgehog shirt, and I'm just going to make this look a little bit girly by adding some rhinestones to it. This is for my 6-year-old daughter. She loves Sonic and she loves Tails. So I'm going to start with some iridescent rhinestones. You can get these on Amazon. Then I have this really convenient wax pickup tool. And I'm not going to fill the whole letter in. I'm just kind of going to trace it out a little bit. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this E6000 glue inside of the first letter. Then what we'll do, we'll just pick the rhinestone up and simply place it right on the t-shirt. I did this with another Sonic the Hedgehog shirt of my daughter's and it turned out so cute. She absolutely loved it. She wanted to wear it back to back. So I'm glad I found this other shirt so she can kind of switch it up a little bit. So this is just what we're going to do. You just pick up the stone and you just repeat. Pick up, place down, repeat. Okay, so we have our first set laid down just like that. And these are SS20 rhinestones, if you're wondering. You can use whatever size and whatever color you like. Okay, so we're just moving right along. This glue tends to be very strong. It is washable. And you just want to give it at least 24 to 48 hours to dry. The longer you let it cure, the better. But this glue is washable. When you're using it, just try to make sure you have some type of window open. I currently have my fan going. I'll crack the window also. It's very toxic, but there are other glues that you can research and use. Other fabric glues like Aleene's, Fabric Fusion. There's Gem Tack, Super Fusion, Super Tight Fusion. So you just got to look around. They're out there. Okay, so I already laid my glue down. So this is just a simple idea. So if there's a particular character that you like or that your child likes and you want to just spruce up one of these little licensed tees. Where did I get this one from? I feel like this one came from Target. They have cute little t-shirts in Target. I feel like that's where this one came from. If it wasn't Target, then it was probably like Walmart. But anywho, you can get these cute little shirts. You can spruce them up by adding a couple stones. You don't have to go 5mm or SS20 like I did. Oh, that's a smaller one there. I'm not going to worry about it. Just leave it there. You can go bigger, smaller, however you want to. Okay, so now I'm just going to trace out the letter C. Now, I do get why some people have like a love-hate relationship with E6000. Like, as soon as you open it up, it's already like oozing out. So what you want to do is not squeeze it too tight, you know. Just kind of let it glide and kind of move quickly. And put that top back on right away. I think if this was plastic, it wouldn't squeeze out so easily. But because it's like made from like metal or aluminum or whatever it's made from, it just oozes right out. Some people put it in a syringe. I don't. You can also buy it in the smaller tubes that actually have the small tip on it, but those cost more and they're really, really small, so you don't really get much in them. And then the tip dries out, which it does give you a couple of them. It comes with maybe like 3 or 4 tips to swap out. But before you know it, you'll need like 2 tubes of that little bitty glue to finish your project. So I'd rather get the bigger size glue and just kind of move quicker. So this didn't take long at all. We're under 5 minutes, I think. And we're just moving and grooving. You could definitely go smaller. I didn't want this to take too long. And then we're just gonna close out this area here to finish that off. Okay. And this doesn't take tons of rhinestones unless you want it to. Of course, you can fill up the whole letter if that's what you want to do. Okay. Okay, so look at how that is. That's really cute. I might do the bottom. Then I'd have to do this too. I don't know. I like it the way it is. I have these rhinestones too. So I was thinking about taking the blue hearts and kind of like scattering some on here. We'll see. So I did find my yellow rhinestones and I decided to go ahead and trace tails with yellow. Okay, so I have these cute little heart-shaped rhinestones. I have some gold or like a yellow color, and I also have blue. And I'm just going to dot on some glue. Or better yet, because these rhinestones are pretty big, I'll probably just go ahead and do it like this. Add the glue. Place the rhinestone. Add the glue. Place the rhinestone. And just kind of scatter them towards the top area of this shirt. Just like this. And again, of course, if you want, you can bling out the whole thing, but I don't have time for that. And that's not what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just sprucing it up, making it look a little girly. Okay, so I finished the shirt and I'm going to ask my daughter how she likes it. Radiance, come here. Come here, I want you to see something.
Oh, I like it.
It's your Sonic and Tails shirt.
Wow.
Isn't it nice and sparkly and cute?
Yeah.
So you should be able to wear it to school tomorrow so it should dry.
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm glad. So she likes it.